All right, so now I'm going to try to show you the bills using Screencastify. Let's see if this works. If I go to the bills, and it wants to log me out every single time. So we go to Google Drive, open up the bills, and you can see that you are all paid up through March. So I need to make a new tab for April. So what we'll do is open a new sheet, rename it April 2020, go back to March, copy the entire spreadsheet, go back to April, and paste it in. And then we just simply need to change the dates. And then we have to take the bills to 0. And that is it.